A strong message is being sent to the government this evening to reduce the gas tax. The latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll shows that the majority of Jamaicans are in favor of the move. Here's Andrea Chisholm with details.
Jamaicans have been feeling the effects of rising oil prices due to the Russia-Ukraine conflict. As at Wednesday, August 10, global oil prices settled at $91.93 a barrel. Locally, Petrojam is selling a litre of 87 gasoline for a little over $209. In June, the same commodity was being sold for a little over $215. Now, the taxes on fuel contribute to the price consumers pay at the pumps. There's a special consumption tax SCT added to each litre, plus a 10% ad valorem tax. Retailers also add their markups. In May, the PNP led a demonstration urging the government to reduce the taxes. So far, the government says no, arguing that a reduction in taxes in one area will have to be absorbed by another sector. Instead, the government gave public passenger operators a $25,000 grant to buy gas, and JPS customers who use under 200 kilowatt hours got a 20% subsidy. Still, the majority of Jamaicans believe the government should lower the gas tax due to the increase in oil prices. 1,113 people were interviewed during the period July 16 to 26. Roughly 9 out of 10 Jamaicans, or 86%, believe the gas tax should be reduced. 9% disagrees, and 5% is not sure. Interestingly, too, 63% of respondents believe the gas tax is necessary, while 29% did not agree. The RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
And the data come amidst a decrease in fuel prices effective tomorrow. We'll have details later on in the business day.